And in our top business story, Emaar Properties announced today that it will sell 15% of its malls business in a floatation on the DFM. According to a statement, the company revealed that the offering of the Emaar Malls Group will be made available to individual investors at around 30% of the IPO, as well as qualified institutional investors at 70%, with 10% being targeted for preferential allocation to existing Emaar Properties shareholders as of September the 10th, 2014. The company added that the company will earmark around 5.3 billion dirhams from the proceeds to be paid as dividends. Added to the 3.7 billion dirhams received from EMG before the IPO, this will result in a total dividend close to 9 billion dirhams to shareholders. His Excellency Mohammed Al-Abar, the chairman of Emaar Properties, was quoted as saying that the proposed IPO of EMG is a significant strategic step for Emaar Properties and is a milestone for the development of the UAE capital markets, as for the first time it combines institutional and individual shareholders in the same offering on the DFM. Dubai's hotels saw a 50.3% occupancy rate in July this year, as according to the latest report. The Hotstat survey of full-service 4- and 5-star hotels by TRI Consulting revealed that the hotel market in Dubai achieved a nominal 1.1% increase in average room rates to $202.94, the second highest in the region after Saudi Arabia, at $214.91. Additionally, hoteliers also noted a 7.4% fall in revenue per available room, or RevPAR, in July. However, the Emirates' year-to-date occupancy levels and profit margins stayed strong at 79.4% and 46.4% respectively. Over in the capital, average room rates increased by 5.1% in July to $114.10, driven by a 4.5% growth in RevPAR. Abu Dhabi's renewable energy company Masdar has delivered Samoa's first wind farm and was inaugurated by the Samoan Prime Minister. The 550-kilowatt project is the second completed under the UAE's $50 million Pacific Partnership Fund, which is managed by the Abu Dhabi Fund for Development. His Excellency Dr. Sultan Ahmed Al Jaber, the UAE Minister of State and Chairman of Masdar, stated that the UAE-supported project is helping countries like Samoa realise its development ambitions, and the inauguration reinforces the UAE's commitment to advancing and deploying renewable energy globally. Located on the Samoan island of Upolu, home to nearly 75% of the population, the wind farm will supply 1,500 megawatt hours of power per year, delivering $475,000 in annual fuel cost savings. The innovative cyclone-proof project will also reduce the island's carbon footprint by more than 1,000 tons of carbon dioxide every year. Dubai's economy was the fastest growing in the world from 1975 to 2008 by a factor of 11. That's according to a new report from the Dubai Economic Council. According to a local daily, the study showed that for the past 15 years, it had reached an extraordinary pace for international standards, and that few countries in the world have been able to sustain such an extraordinary pace of growth for an extended period of time. The study breaks down the growth between 1975 through to 1990, showing an annual rise in GDP of around 6%. 1990 through to 2005 shows an annual rise of about 9%, while 2000 through to 2008, an average of over 10% per year. In comparison, the US's GDP tripled from 1975 through to 2008. Hong Kong grew by a factor of 7, Singapore by a factor of 10, compared to Dubai by a factor of 11.